respected chief guest of the event, Dr. Gulab Kothari ji, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Dubey, respected Pro-Vice Chancellor Professor Kothari, Registrar Brigadier Salim, all the senior officials and HOIs of the universities, invited guests, delegates, participants and students. It is indeed a privilege to have you all today with us at the second edition of International Conference of Media and Communication Studies. Before we start the proceedings of the program, I would like to give everyone a brief about the conference. As you know, today our daily life and communication is closely connected with the digital media. From media audience, we have become digital natives. The presence of digital contents change dynamics and principles of the world. These shifts have clearly visible in social, political and personal spaces. To study the rise of digital media, we had organized International Conference on Media and Communication Studies at MIT University, Jaipur in 2011. More than 2,000 delegates, academicians, experts, professionals, research scholars, and students from all over India and abroad participated in that conference. The delegate conveyed their views on social media and its participation on human life. The emergence and popularity of online social network in the recent years have changed the internet ecosystem, leading to a two-way environment. Nowadays, hundreds and millions of internet users participate in social networks, form communities, produce and consume media content in very revolutionary way. The social networks have undergone a dramatic growth in recent years. Such networks provide extremely suitable space for instant share of multimedia information between individuals and neighbors in the social graph. The network of contemporary social structure are deeply engaged in digital communication. Thus, by understanding digital media and communication as an integral part of social life, more complex agents and actors of society could be derived. Continuing with our research initiatives, MIT School of Communication is now revisiting changing paradigm of social media, which is the game changer. Breaking the geographical boundaries and culture enforcements, digital media is being proven as effective weapon for the change. This time, we received thoughtful and in-depth papers from different countries across the globe. We are privileged to have with us research scholars from France, Turkey and UAE and from different parts of India as well. We are honored to have Professor Dennis Maxwell, the father of communication theory, as the keynote speaker, who will be delivering his keynote address in the afternoon today. I hope his view on the future of field of communication will enrich all the scholars presented over here. This conference is also part of MIT School of Communication's effort of promoting research in media and communication studies in India by giving a platform for educators and researchers to deliberate on relevant issues. Going through the papers which we received, it is clear that digitalization of media and its impact on human life is a concern of thought and seeks an inquiry. The critical and analytic papers on digital media and other areas of communication, studies like cinema studies, cultural studies, media history, media ethics and laws will surely make this conference a universal stage to deliver a dialogue and discourses. I believe that the output of this conference will bring impact on all the participants to carry the research forward and bring out critical thoughts in the field of media and communication studies. Thanks and a hearty welcome to the conference.